Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating how to do a weighted average using the SUMPRODUCT function. So in a previous video, I did a weighted average, but we did it quite manually, and it was a long formula with a mixture of absolute and relative cell references, and it was kind of tedious to produce, and it was very likely that a person could make a mistake with a formula that long. So what we're going to do is we're going to use SUMPRODUCT down here. But in preparation for this, I want to do a couple of named ranges. So I'm going to highlight this range of cells. So I'm going to include these names at the left, out of and weight, and these ranges of numbers. And I'm going to go up here to formulas and use create from selection. So because I selected names at the left, it offers to name the ranges of cells using the text that is sitting out to the left of them. So I'm going to say OK. And if I just want to verify that, I could click on Name Manager, and sure enough, I have a range called out of with 10, 20, etc., etc., and a range called weight. So that's going to help me out when I do my SUMPRODUCT formula. OK, now I'm going to go down to F15, and we're going to create a formula here using SUMPRODUCT, and it's going to be quite a bit easier than doing that long formula that we did before. So I'm going to do insert function, SUMPRODUCT, and I'm going to say my first array is going to be this range of cells, so the test students' marks. So it turns out to be B15 to E15. And I'm going to go divided by, because I'm not quite done with my first array, I'm going to do divided by this range of cells. And when I finish doing that, it probably says out of, because I've already defined that. So I could have typed in out of with an underscore in between. So that means I'm going to take the student marks that they achieved, divided by what each item was out of, and now I'm going to put in array 2, which is what I want to multiply by, because that's the weighting factor. So that's going to be the weight, and then I just click OK. And I fill that down. So building that formula was much easier than the long, tedious one that we built up here, but it produces exactly the same results. Thanks very much.